Hey, welcome to another edition of Motilnet. Getting some price action and possibly some future price targets right now for Snapchat, SNAP. If anyone's been watching it or playing it for the last, let's say, since the beginning of May, you should be pretty happy and nicely in the money right now if you either tear it out or holding on to those contracts or shares. What we're going to do is we're going to figure out a little bit of price action using some historical, and we're going to work our way up really quickly, and we're going to see what our next targets are. It is looking good. So we had the downtrend. We did have a pivot beginning of May, around May 8th. So the first real candle was over here. So we're going to pull that in on that. We're looking at the daily charts, by the way. So we see the 423 came right up to 1034. That's basically right where the channel worked out to be. That took you until May 30th if you held on throughout May. There was really not much of a reason to sell. Then there was a small retrace, no problem. We had it go flat. Then we had our shooting star. Then again, a little bit of a retrace, retest, which is just following on the 200. We're going to measure this candle here from June 23rd. We'll bring this across. And we can see the 2618 is at $12.35, and the 423 is at $13.56, which was hit today. So that was basically from July 23rd. July 23rd. My bad. June 23rd until July 12th. So we take that across, and that takes us right until today. The target was hit. We are expecting either some continuation. There's not really much reason to come back, but I personally think we'll see a small retrace to somewhere around 1235 or maybe even here, 1189. And then it might hold flat a little bit and then start continuing up. So if we want to look at where our next lines are on the upside, we're almost in no man's land here. Once we break out of this $14 zone, it's no man's land till 1750, 20, 23, and even come up here to 28, 29, and potentially even to $40. So there's definitely a nice run. Hope you're in it. Hope you catch it for the long run. And if not, just patience pays, right? So wait for the retrace, wait for it to hold. This is a nice support area building right here at 1189. That's a great entry if you want to go in. If you do take it and you're looking for a shorter play, you'll probably want to stop at around 1115. If it's in your longer term account, you don't really want to stop out. You might want to see if the price could come down to about $11, $11.30. It might even come back down to 10 and change. Very potential. So that's why I'm saying on the retrace, look for a hold around 11.90, 11.85, $12 around this zone. If it holds and runs, good. If it breaks down and just falls apart, 10.20 is the target. So you would want to have a stop in there. All right, guys, have fun. Good luck and play safe.